Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well, we're here for give you a little interview, you see me? So I'm going to ask you some questions and you just answer the thing, right? Looking at the camera, man. What's your name?
Camera.
What's your mother name?
My mother name Gloria.
And what's your father name?
My father name Marshy.
Which year you born?
He born up to September.
I didn't hear that.
He born first of April and September.
What date?
July first of April.
So, how old you be?
You're 13.
And your mother how much?
Mother 15.
And your father how much?
Father 10.
How much months you stay in your mother belly?
1
what?
month.
Oh, how much pound you weigh when you're born?
Me 1.5 pound. 1.5 pound me weigh.
Okay, so you have no sister?
Yeah, we got 2 sisters.
What's their name?
One name Vina, one name Lisa.
Who older?
Lisa.
Lisa how much?
Lisa 10.
And Viviana how much?
Vina 5.
Okay, so me have movie, you know. Me have movie for your watch. Where you go watch, you know?
We did it.
Me not hear you, man. Look up in your camera and answer me, no one.
We did it.
What?
We did it. We watch it now.
VDD?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't know no bad song you can sing. Sing one song let me hear, no man.
I will all fun find a pot. You know what I want more than that. I'm money to buy the coconut.
But I big sir who sing that tune there?
I'm Mr. Lucy.
Who?
Mr. Lucy.
Mr. Lucy?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. So where your brother them there?
In their country.
How much your brother you have?
You got 5 brothers.
So we cannot bring them down here.
They will last.
Why they will last?
Then they used to down here.
Okay. So how much brothers you have?
5.
What their name?
One name Kaka.
One
One name Powder. One name Johnny. One name Patrick.
That's it?
One name Kaka.
Okay, so
And George.
oh. So you on a phone?
Yeah, my phone.
What number?
Phone 916. 916.
No more digit.
916.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so who buy phone for you?
I tell him Cherry.
Okay, I see. So all of you be again?
13.
And your mother how much?
15.
And your father how much?
9.
So your father there?
I'm dead.
How old he be when he dead?
13.
Okay, I see. So at what age your father get you?
July.
What age?
July.
Okay. Alright, Kushu, that was a short interview. We get back to you and link up, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.